proud sponsors, Round Products. If you need anything for your Harley Davidson, dyno tune, motor work, full builds, anything, hit them up. I also like to thank Urban Illustrators. Yes, sir, man. Today we got Battle of the Bikes. We got Joe. He got on cam 107. And we got Dylan. He got a twin cam. What is that? 08?
Yep.
08, 110. And Joe about to tell us what's good with his bike. Yes, sir. Joe, introduce yourself, man. What's your Instagram, Joe?
GSW Joe 510, baby.
510, man. Y'all see him on there?
Whatever you feel like, but we got the 18 road glide with the best thunder header in town. 2-in-1 on there. Got some little crash bars from Amazon, you know what I mean? Got the cam on there.
What kind of cam you got?
I got a Star 3030 cam in there. Did the whole push rod, lifters, all that good stuff.
You can't leave your no baffle in there. You ain't got a baffle in your thunder header.
I said, the best one in town.
Everybody been looking for the update with Joe, man. Here he is, man. No baffle, Joe, man. The pipe that y'all hate, the pipe that YouTube hate the most.
All the old heads,
man.
But did a dyno tune. Shout out Ram Racing for the dyno tune out in San Ho. Really, that's about it.
So Joe got a cam 107. He said 2018?
Yep, 2018.
2018 107 road glide. And then we got Dylan, man. What you got? What kind of power your bike making? You gonna tell him the truth or you ain't tripping?
I'm about 113 for the horsepower. I mean, for the horsepower and about torque, I think I'm at like a 118, 119.
He got stocked auto body injectors, everything.
So not too bad coming from stock.
You said 113 horsepower, 118 torque?
Yes, sir.
Yep. Okay. And you got Dylan, man. Come over here to your bike, Dylan, man. Tell him what you got.
Well, pretty much the same as last time. Just the 110 S&S heads, 585 cams. The only thing I added was the ram pipe, so
picked up some pretty pipe, huh?
Yep.
Got that pretty pipe on there, man.
Downed out to 118 to 121, so.
What's the 118?
118
horsepower?
Horse.
Okay. So 118 horsepower, 121 torque. You got 112 horsepower, 118 torque. Yeah, man.
We gonna see what it do. We gonna see what
You got that? The 107, man. Okay. The underdog. You got it? Oh. Man, what you got to say to the camera, Joe, bro?
Hey, man, best 2 out of 3.
2 out of 3, huh? All right. Round two. I mean, I don't know what they want to do with that one. Ooh, wee, man. Hey, I'm sorry. I just told them. I just told them to rev the gas up and don't dump the clutch. Hey, man. I said drag it out. Hey, y'all do what y'all want. Don't listen to me. Do what y'all know. Do what y'all know. God damn it. Hey, do what y'all know.
Oh, I'm about to kill you.
Hey, do what y'all know. Hey. Ooh, wee, bro. Dylan got that one. All right. 1-1, man.
That boy Joe had to scoot away.
Hey, Joe, hey, man. Both them got Harley tires on their bikes. Neither of them got a Shinko or whatever. No sticky tires. They both got burnout tires on their bikes, man.
So what just happened, man? You know what I'm saying? You try to coach him again.
Man, I tried to coach him and they almost took each other out. I love it, man. I love it, man. Hey, if you want to be featured on the channel, you trying to see what your bike do, we for sure got somebody that could be close with you in any class. Who got it? He got how much? How much you win by?
All right.
How much you win by?
Like a bike lane?
A bike? All right. Hey, y'all want to do the best out of 3 or 5? Hey, y'all 1-1. Y'all want to do the best out of 3 or 5?
3 or 5.
5, all right. They doing the best out of 5. Go ahead. Joe had a good 60, but Dylan, that little extra horsepower, what he say he made? 118, that little 5, 6 more horsepower.
I'm on his ass though.
He right
That's
there.
What I'm doing best out of 5. Fuck
Best
all
out of
that.
5. Hey, 2-1. Hey, we gonna see if he give you the hit on this one.
Nah, it's good. We gonna go head to head.
Head to head. Joe don't want no handouts. Joe don't want no handouts. Joe got that one. They 2-2. 2-2. The grand finale right now. The grand finale. Joe said, I don't want no handouts. I tried to give him see if Dylan would give him the hit. He said, nah. He didn't want no handouts. Hey. Ooh-wee. I know both them nervous now.
Same tune, right? They're both
both tuned by Ram.
Tuned by Ram.
Shout out Ram Racing.
Yeah.
San Jose. California. They bikes running good, man. Both smoke up the whole street. Joe just got a cam in his bike. He'll smoke the whole street up. Who got that one? Joe? You got it? Oh, he said he didn't want no handouts neither. All right. Let's go down here. He got it? Let me see. Hold on. What you got to say to the camera, man?
Hey, man. Don't underestimate the 107. My boy parking this shit over there.
107, he parking it?
Parking this shit.
What? 107 running. With no baffle in the
No baffle. No baffle, Joe.
Go ahead and let the clutch go one time for him, man. Go ahead, let the clutch, man. Let the clutch go for him, man. You got to do a little celebration.
I'll end up on the ground.
A little celebration, bro. Go ahead. Bird rubber going straight or something. Show us something, Joe. Go straight. If you don't feel comfortable going sideways, it's all good.
Well, let's do these crash bars.
The winner.
Right?
The winner. Man, that bike sound good, huh? And Joe did that, man. He the winner. Best out of 5. It came to both them pedaling. Their bikes is really close. It came to both them pedaling that last race, man. We're gonna see if Joe won't do any more burnouts or anything, man. See what Dylan got to say. What you think, T-Cat, man? That wasn't bad, huh?
That was a good race. That last one was good.
Good race. Came to them pedaling. Man, dude. Y'all did that though. Got Dylan, man. Y'all, hey, good stuff, Dylan.
Not bad.
Hey,
I guess
came down to the last one.
Traction.
Hey, both of y'all pedaling. You guys are both on. Look, you ain't got a sticky tire. You got a hard compound tire on your bike. You got a Metzler, and I'm pretty sure you probably got a Harley tire. What you got on your bike? Exactly. You got a factory Harley tire. But yeah, man.
Got it.
Hey, y'all gotta
Dude,
hey, for real though, at the very end, it was really me like reeling in.
Definitely was. Definitely
Like,
was.
I could feel like holding that gear much longer. I was starting to reel you in like right at the last minute, but it all starts at the very beginning, dude.
Yeah, right at the fucking beginning, bro. Because I could feel like once we're coming in and actually hitting that throttle, he was catching.
Yeah.
So
They're
those
so
extra,
fucking close, dude. It's crazy.
yeah, those extra numbers definitely helped out, but they're really close. Really close. I'm proud of my little 107 over there. Shout out Ram Racing.
Not bad. Not bad at all.
yeah, that last race came to both of y'all pedaling, and you guys hooked up. Both of you guys went, and then you guys both hooked up, and yeah, y'all was out of there.
Hey, practice makes perfect.
Hell yeah.
And we out of here on Battle of the Bikes. Appreciate y'all. Man, we might get somebody else to tear up their bike, man. We're going to try, at least. But anyways, like and subscribe if you haven't already. We'll catch you on the next one. Late.